Plant FAQs, Syngonium Panda. Syngonium Panda, your guide to this adorable houseplant. Hi, Furvu here. Today, we're diving into the world of the Syngonium Panda, a captivating houseplant that's as easy on the eyes as it is to care for. This little climber boasts stunning foliage with a unique charm. Think lush, dark green leaves splashed with bold white markings, resembling the iconic black and white coat of a panda. Hence the name, of course. But is the Syngonium Panda the right fit for you? Let's answer some of the most common questions about this beauty. See more 41 species in genus Syngonium, arrowhead plant at monsteraholic.com. What makes the Syngonium Panda special? Variegated charm. The panda's main attraction is its captivating foliage. Unlike its green-on-green Syngonium podophyllum brethren, the panda features white variegation on its arrowhead-shaped leaves. This stunning contrast adds a touch of whimsy to any indoor space. Easy care. New plant parent? Fear not. The Syngonium Panda thrives on neglect. It tolerates a wide range of light conditions, avoid direct sunlight though, and doesn't demand constant watering. Perfect for busy schedules. Compact climber. The panda can grow up to 2 to 3 feet indoors, making it ideal for shelves, hanging baskets, or trained to climb a moss pole. It can also be pruned to maintain a bushier form for tabletops. Air purifier. While not a miracle cure for pollution, the Syngonium Panda, like many houseplants, helps remove common toxins from the air, contributing to a healthier indoor environment. Syngonium Panda versus Panda Galaxy. Both my Syngonium Panda and Panda Galaxy are a joy to have in my little urban jungle, but they offer slightly different experiences. The panda's leaves unfurl with a charming surprise each time. Sometimes it's a sprinkle of creamy variegation, other times a larger splash, making it feel like a personal treasure hunt. The Panda Galaxy, on the other hand, boasts a bolder, more marbled effect. It's like a miniature galaxy swirling on each leaf, a constant display of captivating patterns. Syngonium Panda versus Neon Pothos, the great debate. Often confused with the ever-popular Neon Pothos, the Syngonium Panda has some key differences. Here's a quick breakdown. Leaves. The panda boasts arrowhead-shaped leaves, while the Neon Pothos features heart-shaped ones. Variegation. The panda's white variegation is bolder and more prominent than the subtle neon lime variegation on the pothos. Growth habit. The panda is a natural climber, while the pothos can climb or trail. Light needs. Both prefer bright, indirect light, but the panda tolerates lower light conditions slightly better. Ultimately, the choice depends on your preference. The pothos might be a better pick if you crave a heart-shaped leaf and a more vibrant splash of color. But if you adore the classic panda color scheme and a unique leaf shape, the panda is your winner. How to care for Syngonium Panda. Here's what your Syngonium Panda craves to thrive. Light. Bright, indirect light is ideal. Avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Overwatering is a big no-no. Soil. Well-draining potting mix is crucial. Consider adding perlite to your mix for extra drainage. Humidity. While the panda adapts to average household humidity, it appreciates a humidity boost, especially during dry winter months. Grouping plants together or using a humidifier can help. Fertilizer. A balanced houseplant fertilizer applied monthly during the growing season, spring and summer, can give your panda a little growth boost. Pruning. Regular pruning encourages bushier growth and keeps your panda in shape. Pinch off leggy stems or trim back overgrown areas. Syngonium Panda, a perfect fit for your plant family? With its stunning looks and easygoing nature, the Syngonium Panda is a fantastic choice for plant enthusiasts of all levels. Its compact size and adaptability make it perfect for apartments or smaller living spaces. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious newbie, the Syngonium Panda is a rewarding addition to your indoor jungle. With a little TLC, this little climber will bring a touch of the tropics and a burst of personality to your home. So, are you ready to welcome a Syngonium Panda into your life?